Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make an amazing effect to your food footage with this fake stem on CapCut. So you can start by adding your food footage into CapCut like this, and then just go straight to effects, video effects, and just click on the search column at the top and type in stem. Click on enter and you'll easily spot this stem effect. So just click on the effects and it will be applied like this. You can also use this one. I don't know what the difference, but this one in here you can adjust the speed and also the atmosphere. Okay, I'm going to make it slower for the speed. Now you can just go back, and here if you want to apply for the entire clip, don't forget to adjust the duration by dragging it like this. So this is the final result. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.